Apart from being blush queen, I am a very budget friendly queen. She is the moment, not like go DDD. They are sisters. This is the perfect color of Bruise K by Katrina's packaging. I take out my magic wand. I am obsessed with peach. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this brush. This is also such a good winter color. More Wonders brush, like
no final fantasy, can we end these games though?
Hi everybody, this is Shubhangi. Welcome back to my channel. From the look of the title, I am super sure that you guys know I am super excited about today's video because today's video is going to be all about blushes. I am the blush queen. I love blushes in all forms and shapes. By the way, 2 months ago, I posted my top 5-6 best liquid blushes video. If you haven't seen that, please go and watch it. I'm gonna link now. And people been commenting and DMing me about blushes like till now from that video. So I thought I'm gonna make a powder version of the same video. So in today's video, I'm going to mention my top 6 powder blushes that I'm crushing on recently, and the cherry on the top is that all of them are below 400. I mean, you guys at this point know, right? Apart from being blush queen, I am a very budget friendly queen. I don't know, is that a name that I'm giving myself now? Probably yes, but yeah, it's true. Whenever I am buying makeup, I always look for affordable stuff because I believe in affordability. So anyway, I'm going off topic now. So the blush ranges from literally as low as 100 rupees to 400. And also, by the way, there is more to the story. When I posted the liquid blush video, I was like crushing on liquid blushes. I was like so obsessed with liquid blushes, and 2 to 3 months have passed and I'm kind of bored of putting on liquid blushes for zillion time. So I don't want to look at liquid blushes, but I am super obsessed with powder blushes. I have made quite a collection and they are super pigmented, like has to be approved by me obviously. They are super pigmented, super good quality and very budget friendly, hence the birth of this video. I have talked way too much. Let's not waste any further time. Like, share, comment, subscribe and get on with this video. So I am going to go from lowest price to highest price. So the first blush, she is pretty, she is affordable, she is versatile and I love her. So the blush I'm talking about is this one. Look at the packaging, by the way. She is the moment. This blush is called Annie Lady's Sweet Fruit Palette and it has got 4 blush in it, which sort of looks like this. It's a pinkish, it's a very brick red sort of a blush, and these two are the most used blush by me. So these are peach blushes. I have applied this today as well, but very little because my eyes are stealing the moment today. So it retails for, hold on, are you guys ready to hear the prices? It retails for 110. Yes, and they are super pigmented. She blends like a dream. No patchy, nothing. I use my powder brush, big fluffy powder brush, swirl the brush around all the 4 pigments sometimes and just put it. You just don't need any eye makeup. This will steal the look. Powders are very fine. In the palette, it looks like it has got shimmer, but when you apply it on your cheeks, no shimmer, nothing. It's a matte powder blush. It's super good. Just get this in your kit, in your makeup kit. Just trust me on this. You are going to like thank me later on. Now the next powder blush is from SFR and it looks like this. Now I think SFR's blush palette is quite a popular palette among the beauty community, but I discovered this one some random day while searching for blushes in Amazon. Apparently all my blushes, I came across them while searching for something else and then I added to my cart. This is the blush that I found and the next second I added it to my cart and I don't regret it. I love this blush. This is freaking pigmented. The only thing I don't understand is it comes with a brush and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this brush. I mean, this brush is super cute, but literally it has no use. You can throw it away, but I like to keep it. I just use my normal brush and this retails for rupees 175, I guess. Can you see it has got little bit of carvings and drawings going on. The design is a part of the packaging and I love it. Also the first blush also had some kind of designs on their palette. I think it's a fruit design, which is also very, very cute. And this is also super cute. This is very travel friendly. I just love it. And also this smells so good, so good. I even sometimes apply this blush without any foundation or concealer, just bare skin after applying sunscreen. I probably do that with all my blushes. It looks so good. You guys are missing out if you don't have any of them in your makeup kit. So just keep watching the video. More wonders are yet to be unfolded. Now the next blush palette is actually not a blush palette, it's an eyeshadow palette. But listen to me, I have a particular shade in that eyeshadow palette that I'm like obsessed with, and that's why I consider the whole eyeshadow palette as a blush palette. So I am talking about this one. This is the Ultimate Shadow Palette and the shade is 04. The blush color I'm talking about is this one and this one. They are so good when you apply it on your face. It's the exact blush color. And you know, I am obsessed with peach. Like literally all the blushes that I'm going to show you are like somewhat near to almost peach colors or pink colors. I don't apply purple red blushes. So this color looks so pretty, so freaking pretty on your cheeks. But make sure they are super pigmented, so make sure to apply with a very light hand and not like go DDD on your cheeks. Then you're gonna have very uneven blotches of blush. I have never faced problems with applying this on my cheeks. You just gotta blend it out and they look super nice. Now this color is like Holy Grail, and sometimes I apply this color when I feel like I'm gonna bronze up or when I feel like I wanna go for a fall vibe makeup look. So that time I use this one. Maximum of the time I use this one. This is such a great color and it retails for less than 200 rupees. So like you get an eyeshadow palette which is super pigmented, like one of the best eyeshadow palette. I have also included this in my best eyeshadow palette video, and along with you are going to get a perfect blush color. What more do you need from a palette? The fourth blush is something that I got very recently, and I think not everybody is going to have full access to this blush, but this is super good and under 400 rupees. Like it fits all the criteria, so I had to include this blush and I love it. So the blush that I'm talking about is this one. This is Beauty Base blush in the shade Coral. By the way, the packaging is so good. I just love it. It's like super sleek and it's like very similar to K by Katrina's packaging. It's super sleek, like so good. I can just slip it into my purse and it will take like very less space. So the blush looks like this. And also, by the way, I wanna just mention that this is like drop proof because obviously I dropped it and it didn't break. So this is drop proof. Yeah, I know. I'm just ridiculous. I drop everything and if it doesn't break, they are like drop proof. What will I say? I am built different. Anyway, so this retails for 316 and I just love the quality of this blush. This is so blendable. Everybody knows that it's very easy to blend liquid blushes using fingers, but did you ever see any powder blush blending equally good with fingers? Yeah, this is such a great blush that it even doesn't need brush. Another thing that I just love about this blush is that it is super buildable, which means that when you first time apply it on your face, it doesn't give you like super pigment, so you can like take more and more and blend it and like just customize it according to how much blush you want. I really like that about this blush. This type of blushes are very beginner friendly. There is very less rooms for mistake for these blushes. However, the first two blushes are super pigmented, so that is also good. I'm just giving you guys the information. Whichever the one that suits you, you should go for that one. If you want a bang on pigment at the first time, go for the first two blushes. They are acing that game. And if you want to build it up, you want to start with subtle and then bang on pigment, then you can go for buildable blushes like this. Okay, so we are down to number 5 and number 6, and I think I'm going to introduce them at the same time because they are family, they are sisters, so I want to introduce them together. So basically I'm talking about Wet n Wild's blushes. They have been in my makeup kit like from the start. They have seen my makeup kit grow from a little chotu box to a whole set of drawers. They have seen it all, so you can understand they are the oldest blush and I have not still been able to get rid of them because they are so good. The Wet n Wild blushes that I'm talking about is Pearlescent Pink and Mellow Wine. If you are confused, get Mellow Wine. You are never gonna get disappointed. On those days when I feel like, no, I don't like my eyes, I don't like the lip color, I don't like the contour placement, but I don't have the time to change it. On those days, I take out my magic wand, which is this Mellow Wine blush. I just applied everywhere at the periphery of my face and everything marries together and looks so flawless. Now these two are a little bit expensive. The actual price is more than 400, but they are always on discount, so you're gonna get them. I recently checked. The discounted price is below 400, so gotta include them in this video. So what I was talking about is, look at the blush color. This is Mellow Wine. So this is like a mauve pink shade, which means it has a pink, it has a little bit of purple tone, a little bit of brown tone, and it is very, very cool, by the way. All these colors mixed into a cool shade, and it is a perfect shade if you are like trying to contour. I mean, I'm not telling you guys to contour with this shade, but if you are going for a very cool toned look, you can apply this blush and your look will look so good, so sultry, sexy, and oh my god, I am just imagining all the colors together and I'm just loving it. So this is a versatile blush, by the way. This is also such a good winter color. Oh, also another thing, it's very trendy to do under eye dark circles, and if you're into that sort of a thing, you can use this blush to do that as well, because this is the perfect color of bruise. Now another sister is this one. By the way, Mellow Wine is super matte. Pearlescent Pink is a little bit shimmery. It's not shimmer though, it's a little bit shiny, and obviously the pan looks shimmery, but when you apply it, there's no distinctive sparkles or something like that. It's very like smooth and shiny. On a daily random basis, I don't apply this color, but that has nothing to do with the quality of this blush. I don't apply it because of the color. It's very pinkish, and also it's a little bit shiny. I like my blushes to be matte. I didn't know while buying it that Pearlescent Pink was shiny, so that's why I bought it. Though I'm like complaining a lot about this blush, but this blush is so good. Whenever I apply this, I get so like, I feel that I am a changed person. If you love a pink blush, like start with Pearlescent Pink. It's so good. However, I have no clue what I'm gonna do with this brush. Like, Wet n Wild, what's up with you? Why did you put this brush? Nobody needs this brush. You could have just made the palette smaller. Anyway, love this one. So we are finally at the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. All the products will be linked in the description box for you guys to check out, and please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.